Hey, hello guys. So आपने इलास्टिक बिन स्टॉक यू नो राइट लाइक इलास्टिक बिन स्टॉक इन AWS। आज मैं आपको बताता हूँ Azure में क्या होता है। अगर Azure माइक्रोसॉफ्ट Azure यूज कर रहे हो तो इलास्टिक बिन स्टॉक को कैसे यूज कर सकते हो। ठीक है। तो ऐप सर्विसेज होता है यहाँ पे, ऐप सर्विसेज। Azure में जाओगे, Azure की जब सर्विसेज चेक करोगे तो जस्ट टाइप ऐप सर्विसेज देयर एंड यू विल फाइंड इट, राइट। So app services you can use. So very quickly we'll try how to create and how it works in Azure. Okay. So there are three options like create web app, static web app plus database. Make sense? So let's try with a simple one. Subscription free trial, right? So अभी है मेरे पास resource group. So I will pick my resources. I will keep my resources in US East resources environment. Resources group name test elastic bin stock. Okay, so where you want to publish it? You want to publish just the code or in Docker container or in a static web app. Okay, there are three options now. This URL should be unique, so that is one thing. So I say I want to publish it into code. Runtime environment. So it also support .NET, Go, Java, Node.js, PHP, Python, and Ruby. Okay, so I say my environment is .NET. Linux or Windows, which operating system? I say Linux. Region East US, or you can choose as per your wish. So Linux plan is they just given the pricing details and you can choose different category, right? So I'm just putting it like free F1, this one which is free, and this basic is you will get like 974 rupees, okay, per month. So I'm happy with free tier, but you have some good options like you will get 8 GB RAM, 2 CPU, 2 GB RAM, 1 CPU, okay, and here you will get 60 CPU minutes per day. So I'm happy with this, the free one. Premium 32 GB and CPU 8, and approximately cost would be 35,544 per month. Okay, so I go with this one. Zone redundancy. So what you want? I'm sorry. So an app services can be deployed at zone redundant, and this is a deployment time only decision. You can't make changes app service zone redundant after it get deployed. So this you need to take care, like at the starting point only you can do. Okay, so let me change the options so we are not getting zone redundancy. Why? I'm just checking. So few instances, few pricing plan will not suggest support this, right, like free or basic. But if you go to premium you can go. Now zone redundancy, like if you enable it, your app service plan will be zone redundant. That means multiple availability zone. You will have multiple availability zone, right? And your minimum instance count would be 3. So I go again like with the free. GitHub action, if you want you can support right now, because we are not using container, right? So we are getting this option disabled, but we'll check in the container options. Networking, so if you want to enable public access you can do, so that you can access it on publicly. Monitoring, if you want to enable the monitoring also you can do that, right? So that you can get the application insight as well. Tag you can attach, and now then it is good, like you can go for creation. Now the environment is getting created and you have created .NET environment. So you can see like it is quite easy, simple, straightforward. Validating right now, validation is going on. Validation once passed, you can continue for creation. So it got properly validated. That's why it is we are getting this message that deployment got started. Okay guys, so the good news is like this got ready now. Deployment is completed. If you go to inputs, you can see like what the inputs we have given. What is the output? Right now no deployment output I can see here. Template, this is the template which got deployed. This is my deployment details. Go to the resource. Here you can see what you can do actually. So default domain is this one, test elastic beanstalk. If I put it in browser, you can see it should get deployed and you should see some result there. If you want to attach it with some custom domain, definitely you can do that. This code is getting uploaded. The test sample code is basically there. App engine service, Linux script free win1. So it is like as per our scenario. Deployment view logs. So you can see logs as well here. So guys, you can see like your web app engine is running and waiting for your content. So now you just need to upload your sample code and you can do that. One sample code which is created by Azure, it is here in front of you. So our app engine service got ready and now you can attach it with like you can configure with CI/CD pipelines. You can add the slots here, overview, activity log. So not much, right? Diagnose and solve problems. Microsoft Defender, events, configuration, authentication, all such things are there. You can take the backup if you need. You want to attach it with some identity provider, you can do that. Application insight, you can have a view how your application is performing. Backups. So right now backup is not there because our instance configuration is low. Custom domain you can set. This is the public IP address. You can also use this one as well. This is internal one, I believe. That's why it is not appearing. Certificate. So this is HTTPS certified already. This use Microsoft certificate actually. networking. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, एक like button click कर देना. And you can share this video with other friends as well. So this is your link web app. Right now outbound traffic, inbound traffic is this. And what is my system IP address? You can attach it with CDN as well. Scale up, that means vertical scaling, and scale out is also available, like horizontal scaling is also available. So you can upgrade to it vertically as well, and you can see the pricing difference. Scale out, you can scale the machine into multiple zones and you can create multiple copies. So scaling is not possible now, right now, with this instance type. So I hope you got some good idea for this, and definitely you enjoyed App Engine. And if you have any question, feel free to ask me. I will be happy to answer your queries. And thank you once again for watching this video. If you want to learn AWS in Hindi or English or DevOps course, you can log in into my website awslearnings.in and you can check those things there. That would be very handy for you. Just check the description of this video and you will find all those things. Another thing is like you can check the SSH connectivity is also there. Monitoring they also supports, and other automation task is also supported. So if you want any query, if you have any query, let me know and I will be happy to answer. I don't want to make this video too large, so that's why it's keeping it small. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video again.